right? As school is resuming, here are some of the problems that you are going to encounter in school. And we are talking about midpoint. And today we have a simple question on midpoint. The question says that we should find the midpoint of the line joining P minus 3, comma 5, Q 5, comma minus 3. Of course, minus 3 will be our x1, y5 will be y1, and here will be x2, and here will be y2. So the midpoint of this line, okay, so you say the midpoint of PQ is given as what? X1 plus X2 divided by 2, comma, Y1 plus Y2 divided by what? 2. So I've established this formula in the previous class, right? So let's slot in the value of the variables. X1 is minus 3 plus X2 is 5 divided by 2, comma, Y1 is 5 plus negative 3 divided by 2. So this is midpoint. So let's solve. Minus 3 plus 5, we give what? 2 divided by 2. 5 plus minus 3 we also give 2 divided by 2. So when you finish this, you get 1, comma what? 1. So that is mid on midpoint. And this question says that what is the value of K if the midpoint of the line joining? So this is the first point, this is the second point, and this is the what? Midpoint. So let us analyze it out. So let us call this first point, point what? A, right? 1 minus K, so that we can get what we need. So 1 minus K will now become what? X1, right? And this will become what? Y1. Okay? Let's call this one point B. And that's what? 2, comma, K plus 1. So we'll call this one X2, and this will become what? Y2. Thank you. Now, this is the midpoint. I will use MP as the what? Midpoint. So the midpoint is what? Minus K, comma what? K.
All right, so for the midpoint, this will represent the x coordinate of the midpoint minus k. And here we represent the what? Y coordinate of the what? Midpoint. So from our formula, for in terms of x will be equal to what? X1 plus x2 divided by 2. Good. So what is the value for x here? Minus k is equals to x1 is what? 1 minus k plus x2 is what? 2 divided by 2. Let's quickly solve this. You have minus 2k, correct. It's equal to what? Minus k plus 3. Correct like times. That's minus 2k transpose minus k is plus k is equals to 3. Thank you. You have what here? Minus k is equals to 3. Therefore, k is equals to minus 3. So we have gotten the value for k. Is that all they say we should find? What is the value of k? Therefore, the value of k is equal to what? Minus 3. Thank you. All right, we have another question on the board, and the question says the midpoint of P, coordinate xy, and Q, coordinate axis, is 5, 8. That means which of these is going to represent the midpoint? That's what? 5, 8. Correct. So you say the midpoint is equals to 5, comma 8. So 5 represents what? X, right? And this one represents what? Y. Of course, point P, we have x, comma what? Y. So let me call it x what? X1 and what? Y1. So that it will follow what we have been teaching since. So this will now be what? X2, Y what? Y2. Alright, so what do we need to do? Where's the midpoint? Yes. We said midpoint in terms of what? Correct. I love that response.
Yes.
In terms of x. We said 5 is equals to, what is x1? X1 plus what? X2. Then divided by what? 2. So you cross multiply. So you have what? X1 plus 8 is equals to 10. 2 multiplied by 5. So x1 is equals to 10 minus 8.
Yeah.
X1 is equals to what? 2. So that's for x, the coordinate of x there. So also we find the coordinate of what?
Y.
Y. So you say in terms of what? Y. So where is it? Where is the midpoint? This is it. That's 8 is equals to
Y.
y1 plus
6.
6 divided by 2. Also, you cross multiply. So you have what?
16 is equals to
Correct. 16 is equals to y1
minus
plus
6.
correct. So y1 is equals to 16 minus 6. So y1 is equals to what? 10. Therefore, the coordinate of P is what is x? 2, comma 10. And that's all.